Hello, good morning, my dear student. How are you? I hope you are a very good, fit, and fine. So today we are going to starting this workbook solution of chapter number 14, Environmental Science. The name of this chapter is the story of food. This chapter we already completed in textbook, and that also we have completed their textbook solution. Now we are going to fill up this workbook solution. So started with the first questions like that. Uh, Choose the correct answer from the following MCQs. Okay, so how does the Venus family do their own work? So we can say that now everyone works together. Option number C. Which of the following things is obtained from the plants? So that is the things which are obtained from the plants, like that milk, milk we have obtained from animals, curds, animals, peras, that animals, and so turmeric that obtained from a plant. So we can say the option number D. Which of the following thing is obtained from animals? That wool. Option number B. That we wool collect from that sheep partner. So that is a wool. And what do we use to make food tasty? So that spices means that masala, different types of masala that we used for preparing that vegetables na in that time. So option number A. What is done for the sprain in the leg? जब sprain हो जाती है, मूंछ आ जाती है पैंग में, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Paste of turmeric and the salt is applied on that part. So option number C. For which illness are cloves used? So we can say that the for toothache. So clove means जो long होता है ना, that is called a clove. Now what is not useful for cold and cough? So we can say that no. So buttermilk with cumin seeds and salt, because that buttermilk with cumin seeds has been increased the strength of that cold and cough, not decrease that part. So option number D is our answer. Now fill in the blanks in each sentences with the appropriate words. So we can say that Rani's mother does the work of cooking in Rani's house. Oil of frying puris is obtained from plants. Cows, buffaloes, and goats gives us milk as food. Now to cure joint pain, fenugreek is used. Fenugreek means what? Fenugreek means जो मेथी होती है ना, that is called a fenugreek in English word. Now when small children suffer from gas trouble, so asafoetida is applied around their navel. So navel means जो पेट होता है ना, उसके छोटे से वहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करते हैं? asafoetida. Asafoetida में क्या होता है? Means that हींग जिसे हम कहते हैं ना, that is a asafoetida. Now question number 3. Put a correct mark in front of the statement that are true, and put a wrong mark that is a false. Okay, so all the household work has to be done only by mother. False, because we have to work together na? So not only the mother can do all the work, so that is true. False. Now Venus family live with each other support. True. Now milk is an important product. Yes, true. Energy to do work is obtained only by eating fruits. Not only obtained by eating fruits, we get energy from our that dinner meal na. So that is not only obtained from that fruit part only. So that is false. To cure cold and cough, lemonade is very useful. What is the meaning of lemonade? जो नींबू शरबत होता है ना, that is called a lemonade. So that is false. Now cabbage is the leafy part of a plant. Yes, cabbage, that is a leafy part of a plant. So we can say that it's a true. Match the following now. Turmeric is a cold, and we can apply it, use that turmeric when cold and cough. When we suffer from cold and cough, that we use that turmeric. Now ajwain, that when we suffer from stomach ache, then in that time we are using that ajwain. Now asafoetida, that is I already told you that we use in that gas and bloating. Now fenugreek, that methi part, that is we call joint pain, and the clove, that long, that is mainly used when we have pain, suffer from that inner tooth. So now question number 5. Look at the picture of both the families and give here a write about the various work done by them. This part we already done in our textbook solution. So if you want to copy from that now, so you can copy from here. Mother is cooking food and father is cleaning the floor. Mother, father, and Venu eating food together. Venus mother and father are reading newspaper, and the similar things, the different from the Venus family, that Rani's family. Okay, now the names of the foods items are given below. Add some more names to the list and color to the green which we get from the plant, and the color from the red part that we get from the animals. So here I am only the right that letter of the red and green. So you have to circle with the you have to fill the circle with red and green part. Where I use that R letter now, at that part you have to fill that red color, and where I use that G letter now, on that part you have to use that fill with that green color. Okay, because the honey, milk, then fish, and that ghee, and curds, egg, meat, that all the things we have to get from the animals parts, that we have used that red color, and the different remaining things that all are in the G later, that all we have collect from the plants. Okay, now when you are sick, do you take any medicines from the plants? When do you take? When you, so जब भी हम बीमार होते तो हम क्या क्या यूज़ करते थे? Different types of plants, and we use the medicines from the plants, like get hurt. When we feeling that injury, then in that time we take turmeric with milk, and have a stomach ache, so we take ajwain with water. Have cough and cold, have tulsi, ginger and clove, etc. Have a toothache, we apply clove powder on that part. Okay, chapter. Now in next session we will meet and talking about some other chapters. So till then, bye bye, take care.